Hello everyone, I'm Louis. Today I'm going to introduce you a customized cooling locker vending machine. The machine is with customized stickers, 22-inch touch screen, card reader, word line brand. The dimension of the lockers are customized as well. Each locker has a number. Let's see how to buy. From the touch screen, the buying page will show you the product description, the locker number, price. You can select what you need from the screen. Tap the card. Now the locker is open. Open the fridge door. Open the locker door and get the product. If you are also interested in cooling locker vending machine, please contact us. Thank you.